Hello everyone, it's Alexandra with WTI, and one of my makeup essentials, meaning something that I always wear whenever I decide to apply makeup on my skin, is concealer. And this concealer by the brand KOSAS is one that I love for so many reasons. The main one being that KOSAS is a brand that is compromised with using good ingredients on their makeup. So the ingredients that this concealer has are ingredients that I feel comfortable with applying on my skin, which is something that is really important for me. This concealer is in the shade 07N, which is a shade that is best for medium deep with neutral golden undertones. So what I do whenever I apply concealer is that I apply it on the areas that I feel need to be brightened a little bit more, meaning on the areas that I feel are darker than usual. So what I will do is I will apply it directly to those areas, and then what I do is I blend it on my skin. And as you can tell, this concealer blends really well with my skin. Then I proceed to continue applying my makeup. This concealer is also amazing because I feel like I can fit it anywhere very comfortably, and it is very easy to carry around. And that is my point of view.